Hello student, welcome to next practical of web page designing with HTML. In today's video we see the practical number 10, that is create web page to implement frame tags. Okay, so in this practical we see the frame tags. First, practical significance is in HTML a frame is used to display multiple web page in same web page at a time. Okay, then each frame in window may be separated from other with the borders. This practical used to create the frame with its attributes. Okay, so simply frame tags are used to insert various web page in one web page. Okay, so that we see in this practical. And the relevant program outcomes are discipline, knowledge, experiment and practice, engineering tools, individual and teamwork, and communication. So these are the program outcome of this practical. Then practical skill. After this practical, all students use frame and frame set to partition the content of website, then adding different document to different frames and follow safety practicals. Okay, so here is some theoretical background is given. Concept of different types of frames with their attributes, creating a frame using frame set tag. Okay, so frame set is one tag. This basic concept behind frame is to first use the frame set element in place of the body element in the HTML tag. So जहाँ पे हम बॉडी टैग डिफाइन कर रहे थे वहाँ पे फ्रेम सेट आपको डिफाइन करना है. ओके, इफ यू वांट टू मल्टीपल वेब पेज इन सिंगल वेब पेज. Okay, then use frame element to create frame for the content of the web page. Then use source attribute to identify the source that should be located inside each frame and create different files with the content for each frame. Okay, so this is some theoretical background. Here one example sample code is given. Okay, so first we see this creating vertical columns, how to create vertical columns in the frame. Okay, so first we create 4 files. Okay, 4 HTML file. That first file is f1.html, second one is f2.html, third one is f3.html and fourth one is f4.html. Okay, we write some code HTML. All of you know this code HTML. Then inside that I defined one heading frame1, and by using paragraph I defined one line content of frame1. Here you can display anything that you want to display in this frame. Okay, so I create 4 files similarly we create second file frame2 content of frame2, frame3 content of frame3 and frame4 and content of frame4. Okay, and save all this file by using specific name. I give the name f1, f2, f3, f4. Okay, so this is simple 4 files, and these 4 files we add in our web page. Okay, so for that I write this code. First understand the code. Here first one is HTML open, then head open, title open. Inside title we write the practical number 10 and title is closed. Okay, here head is closed, and after head here we not define the body tag. Instead of body we define frame set. Okay, so first I write tag frame set. Frame set tag used to create rows and columns. Okay, here first we create the rows. Okay, so first we create column करेंगे COLS. So attribute is COLS, and in this attributes pass the star value. How many column you want to create? जितना भी आपको column करना है उतना आपको star यहाँ पे pass करना है. 1 2 3 4. I pass 4 star in double quote. Okay, so 4 different columns are created in one frame. And then here for 4 columns I defined source file. So for that we use frame tag. Okay, frame set tag used to create row and column. Frame tag used to display the content. अभी क्या content display करना है that we defined in frame tag. Frame tag here is one attribute of frame tag, src. Okay, source is equal to, here I pass the path of the f1.html. Okay, I save the f1.html at this location dmpc econtent wpd. Okay, so here pass the path of first file f1.html. Here we create 4 files. Okay, f1, f2, f3, f4. Okay, second, similarly no, we take the path of second file. Similarly, take for the path of third file, and last we take the path of fourth file. Okay, so inside frame tag we use source attribute to define the content of that frame. Okay, so by using frame set we create 4 columns, and by frame we define the content of that 4 columns. Okay, and in F1 we display frame 1 and then content of frame 1. Okay, so this content is displaying first column. Okay, this content frame 2 and content of frame 2 display in second column. Frame 3 and content of frame 3 display in fourth column, and frame 4 and content of frame 4 display in fourth column. Okay, so this is code. Here frame set tag is closed and HTML is closed. So save this file. I already saved by practical10.html and open that file. Okay, when you refresh that time, here this is our one web page, and inside one web page we set the multiple web pages by using frame set and frame tag. Okay, so first column is created. First row is created. Okay, here we write columns. Okay, so first save this file and then refresh the page. Okay, so 4 columns are created. Okay, if you pass here row, then it creates the rows. Okay, save this file, and when you refresh that time it creates the 4 row in your one web page. Okay, and we can insert any content in this frame. Okay, if अभी मुझे अगर फ्रेम यहाँ पे कुछ डिस्प्ले करना है, then I update the frame 1 file. यहाँ पे मैं अपडेट करूँगा. Okay, so simple. If I want to display some image, okay, image in first, so I use image tag, then image source is equal to path ले लेंगे image का. So I paste the path and write path in double quote, image slash, write any name of image. Okay, so here xyz jpg. Okay, so xyz dot jpg. Okay, then alt tag is equal to double quote html. Okay, then I define width is equal to 100, space height is equal to 100, and then last close the image tag. Okay, then save this file and then refresh the page. So my image is displayed in the first frame. Okay, so by this way we can define or we can display content in frame. Okay, so this is your 10th practical, and we can mix the column and rows also. So column and rows we can display like this also. Okay, so this will be you can set by using column and row. So main attribute or main tags are frame set tags used to create column and row, and frame tag used to set the content of that frame set, or we can say column or row. This is your 10th practical. All of you perform. Here some element name and attributes are given. So all students read the theoretical background in your manual and try to perform this practical. Okay, so thank you.